What if I told you you could run a YouTube channel that makes money without ever showing your face, without recording your own voice, and without even editing your own videos? Sounds impossible, right? Well, thanks to AI automation, it's not just possible, it's happening right now. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can build a fully automated YouTube channel using AI tools that are available in 2025. So let's break it down. An AI automation YouTube channel is a channel where every single part of content creation, script writing, voiceover, video editing, thumbnails, even posting, is handled by artificial intelligence or automated systems. No filming, no cameras, no awkward recordings. For example, you could run a channel about tech, history, finance, or even celebrity news, and never appear on screen. Instead, AI writes the scripts, AI narrates the voice, AI edits the visuals, and AI schedules the uploads. Here's the crazy part. Faceless AI YouTube channels are exploding. Why? Because YouTube is a content machine, and the demand for fresh videos never stops. People don't care if a real human is behind the voice, as long as the content is valuable, entertaining, and consistent. Imagine you create one AI channel about the future of AI tools that post daily, then another about weird history facts, then another about luxury lifestyle. Each one could be monetized through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. And the best part? Once you set the system up, it runs almost hands-free. So here's the step-by-step setup. Step 1. Niche selection. Don't skip this. Your niche determines your channel's success. Look for topics with high demand, evergreen appeal, and monetization potential. Think finance, tech, health, self-improvement, or trending pop culture. Step 2. Scripting with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper to generate engaging scripts. Always add a human touch. Edit the tone, add humor, and keep it punchy. Step 3. AI voiceover. Next, give your script a voice. Forget robotic TTS. In 2025, AI voices are shockingly realistic. Tools like 11 Labs or Play.hd can create voices that sound better than professional narrators. Step 4. Visual editing. Now it's time to bring your video to life. Use stock footage platforms like Pexels, Storyblocks, or AI video editors like Runway, Pictory, or Opus. Drag, drop, done. Step 5. Thumbnails and titles. Don't underestimate this step. Use AI tools like Canva AI, Midjourney, or Ideogram for thumbnails that pop. Keep titles curiosity-driven, but not clickbait. Step 6. Upload and automate. Finally, schedule uploads with tools like VidIQ, TubeBuddy, or YouTube Studio Automation. You can literally set your channel on autopilot. Now let's talk numbers. How much can an AI YouTube channel actually make? Well, it depends on your niche, your consistency, and your strategy. For example, finance and investing niches can earn $15, 30 per thousand views. Tech and software niches average $10, 20 per thousand views. Entertainment or memes, lower CPM, maybe $2, 5 per thousand views, but much higher volume. If you scale multiple channels, you're essentially building a digital content empire. Some creators are quietly making 5 to 6 figures monthly, completely faceless. But let's be real. AI automation isn't magic. You can't just push a button and print money. YouTube still values quality, consistency, and watch time. Some myths to clear up. Myth 1. AI content always gets demonetized. False. As long as it's original and engaging, you're good. Myth 2. You'll get banned for AI voices. Also false, unless you're breaking copyright rules. Myth 3. One channel will make you rich overnight. Reality check. This takes time, like any business. Here's the big picture. AI automation isn't replacing human creativity, it's amplifying it. The people who win are the ones who combine smart tools with smart strategy. In 2025 and beyond, faceless AI channels will dominate YouTube. And if you start now, you'll be ahead of the curve. So, what do you think? Would you start an AI YouTube channel today? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more secrets on AI, tech, and the future of digital business, subscribe to Future AI because we're just getting started.